Hello. Welcome and thank you for stopping by and joining this my Google Hangout. I don't know how you came here, if if you're invited or if you're referred or if you have just happened to bump into this, you're welcome. And I hope your time is worth it in this, the time you spend watching this little gem of information will be worth it for you. Okay. And in this topic, in this Google Hangout, I just want to share one secret. I mean, yeah, it's a secret to me. How you can do inside trading. And if you're trying to get a very high return, sometimes you have to do inside trading. You know, there's no question about it. Sometimes you have to know something other people don't know. And this is my own inside trading information, and I'm gonna share it out to the public for free. I'm not being paid for this. I'm not charging a fee for sharing this my secret. A secret is something that is unknown until it's known. By the time you know this, it's no longer going to be a secret because someone have known it. Until it's been known now, it's a secret. That's my definition of secret. And if you don't know me, if I don't know where if you happen to be under the rock or somewhere in the mountain, if you haven't heard about me or you don't know my name is Samuel Olekama, the grandson of Olekama Nohobita. Like I said, put off your wallet. Yeah, all your money. I'm not asking you for the money. I have enough already. I just want to give you a little clues how you can be able to increase your dividend or your investment or your whatever you invest. If you can follow or if you can follow this thing. Again, I am not an attorney. I am not a CPA. I don't give a legal advice. I don't give a professional advice. If you do seek or if you are trying to get a professional advice, whether legal, financial, or otherwise, I would suggest that you go and speak to licensed people who specialize in those areas. I am not one of those. I am merely sharing my own personal experience. By your continued listening to this, you have complied that I am not giving you legal advice. Okay? If you continue to listen to this thing, you are basically accepting the fact that you are of age and you can understand and that a full-fledged disclaimer have been offered to you. I do this because of the FCC rule and I try to abide by the rules and regulation. I like to follow rules and law. I believe in rules and order because I believe God is also orderly. In the heavenly realm, there is a system and there is an order. As he was in the beginning, is now and ever shall be. So I believe if God so orderly, we should follow order. God is not an unruly person, an inorderly. He has a system. And I believe if he created the same system, heavenly host, that we should follow suit because we should act like our creator, a creator. A snake should always behave like a snake. An offspring of a snake should be long. I'm not gonna start going stray away from my topic. Let me focus on what this Google Hangout is all about, which is I just want to give information of a very high yielding stock that I'm doing. I'm personally doing this inside trade, and I'm gonna put it out to YouTube. Why am I doing? Because I want to help you. I want you to make some more money. I want you to have more returns. ROI, return on your investment. They call it ROI. ROI, return on investment. I want it to be very high because mine is, and I want to share what I have. A friend give his friend what he has. The Bible said, a friend doesn't hide what he has to his friend. I call you my friends because I share what I have with you. That is the reason why I call you friends. So without much ado, my friend, this stock is very, very viable, very popular. The option is very good, and it's good with very little investment, but the return is so high. And anybody qualifies. The funny thing about it is anybody qualify for this stock. You may be wondering, why am I taking so long to say this? I just want you to know what you're about to hear. Most people charge millions, thousands to reveal this information. But I'm not. I'm giving that for free. It comes in 100-fold, in million-fold. The returns is so much. In fact, you're gonna come and thank me. But the one thing remains that I'm not certain of what I'm sure of is, will you listen to me? Again, you may be saying, why am I dragging this feed? Give me this, whatever this, and then, I need to drag it. Because what I'm about to give you is a treasure. It took me a while to dig it out. It took me almost fortune, ages, years, wasted years. What I'm about to give you now. It took me almost more than about 20 years to figure it out. I'm gonna give you like this. So if I drag, I have the right to drag. My advice is only heed my instruction. Give it a shot. The investment is so much. The initial investment is a little, what I mean a little, but the returns is so great. The return is outstanding. It's marvelous that you get from this inside trade. First of all, do you know what is inside trade? Inside trade is having overview, having a mind, seeing something before other people see it, having unfair advantage. Basically, yeah, I'm about to give you a very unfair advantage over other people, especially other people who haven't listened to this this YouTube that you are listening to. Everybody that listens to this will have this advantage. The only people that will be disadvantaged those who couldn't listen to this YouTube that you are watching right now. Again, it may sound funny. You may be nervous now. You may be getting irritated. That's why I haven't given it out already. That's just finally the foundation. That what you're about to get your hands on is treasure. Sometimes people don't value something when it's given free. I realize that. People do not appreciate anything they get free. They think it doesn't, but if it's being charged, if I'm charging you 10,000 now, you implement this thing tonight. If I'm charging you 5,000 for this information, not only that you implement it, you'll still be thanking me for giving that to you. But I'm not doing any of those. I'm giving it away free. I just want you to do it because it will help you. It's for your own good. The more money is coming to your pocket, not of mine. Okay? It's coming to your pocket. Maybe it can make a difference in the paycheck. If you are struggling or whatever, it doesn't matter whether you are a millionaire or you are homeless. Even the last penny you have, if you invest it with this strategy, you'll be blessed. Okay? Let me give it to you. My inside trade. How to have an unfair advantage. Unfair advantage. Against every other one that traded in any high yielding stock. I don't know where you are. Wherever you are, there is some kind of organization, non-profit or churches. Go there and pay the tithe. Did you hear that? Let me repeat that again. Go to the church. If you don't believe in church, go to any non-profit or anything for the cause of humanity that will help the suffering of the masses. Go there and invest that money. Give it away and don't expect something when you give it. Freely give it and with happiness and thanksgiving. Donate it, give it away and walk away. It will come back to you 100-fold, 1,000-fold, 1,000,000-fold. Let me say it one more time, the third time. Go to the church. If you're a Christian or whatever, if you don't believe in, start paying tithe today. Pay the tithe. Pay your tithe. And don't pay it in such a way that, okay, I'm paying this tithe because I'm expecting. No, don't do it that way. Don't give God ultimatum or tell him what you want. Just pay it because it's what is due to be paid and they are following the law of God. Once you do it that way, sit and relax. God will take care of the rest. That is the end of this message. Do it. It's for your own good. Be blessed.